surprised because I never expected that you have thought of this. Because I know we are in a place where not everybody believes in praying for the dead. I mean, I was happy because this means a lot, especially to your mom. And honestly, kung sa aton pa, nagasimbolo ini sang pagkamakadiyos sang pamilya. Sa tunga, sang dako, yung nga wala na si mama nyo sa inyo luyo, puki siya gyapon sa inyo tagipuso. Kaya nagapati ka mo nga inya ang kinahanglan niya. Ang inyong pangamuyo. And I'm sure your mom is very happy right now. For those who are asking, Father, what if our beloved Nelia is already enjoying heaven? What's the use of this Mass? What's the point of praying for departed loved ones, especially if we trust that they are already in heaven? Here is my answer to that question. That our prayers do not simply serve to change the fate of the deceased. Rather, they are profound expression of our love and connection with the deceased. Just like what we're doing right now, the Mass that we're giving to Nanay Nelia, ito po ay tanda ng walang tigil na pagmamahal niyo sa Kanya. Kahit nawala na siya, kahit na hindi niyo na siya kasama, buhay pa rin siya sa inyong puso at isipan. At tanda ng inyong pagmamahal sa Kanya, you are offering this most precious gift to your mom because you believe that this is all what she needs. This only shows, my dear friends, that the love between us and our departed does not end with death. We are affirming that our love, or that love, transcends even death. And with God's grace, kung nasa heaven na si Nanay Nelia, ngayon, after 2 years, what we are doing now is not a wasted prayer, because the grace will come back to us who are praying for her. Once naihagis mo yung bola sa wall, what will happen? Babalik sa iyo. This is also what will happen to us if we continue praying for the souls. Babalik yung spiritual benefits sa atin. Second, I also want to emphasize the truth about the reciprocal nature of our relationship with the dead. We often think that our prayer for the dead is a way to assist them on their journey to heaven, especially those who may still be in purgatory. Then that's it. But we never think of the fact that the dead too have the power to pray and to intercede for us. This is a fact that we are never separated from those we have lost. In the book of Revelation, we see the beautiful image of the souls and saints in heaven presenting our prayers before God. It affirms that our departed are aware of our struggles and can pray for the family, friends, and relatives. Never stop praying for your dead. Never cut the connection you have with them. Just as we have the power to pray for them, they also have the power to intercede and pray for us. To the children of Nanay Nelia, continue with what you're doing. The love you share with your mom should not stop. It should continue because it's the best way to honor her memory.